Welcome! If you want to change icon shape into a Motorola Moto G60S, first of all go into Play Store and find X icon changer application. I'll show you. This one. Need downloading and installing. I've already installed this, so click open. Then close ads. Sorry, not this. And now need choose with your application, for example, maybe YouTube icon. Click here, then choose your new icon, maybe this one. And then in the top right corner we got OK, so click it. Then wait for closing ads. And one more time. Sorry, close ads, and now click add automatically and go on our home screen, and now we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.